Hey man, welcome back to another video. It's currently 7:40 a.m. and we are just in the market scalping around looking for any setups right now. So yeah, we're just looking around looking for setups. This is gonna be another live trading video, so I'm probably just not even finna edit this up. I'm just gonna speed it up and let y'all see what I see, show y'all what I see in the market. And yeah, we're just hoping to look for any good setups for one-to-ones. My goal for this video is to be able to get. So yeah, today we're at level 24 on our ladder challenge, and I actually got this from my partner Prince, which I appreciate, bro, for putting me onto this method. So yeah, as right now we're on level 24 at 128 or 186, and our goal is to reach 191, which is another 3% increase. So yeah, that's our target, and that's my target. And once I hit 190, 191, I'm out the market and I'm good for the day. So yeah, I'm going to get my trader view back up. And yeah, I'm going ahead and stack around. Y'all enjoy this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, tap the like button, and let's keep the streak going. Right now, my top two setups currently is GBP USD, which has this supply being met, and GBP JPY, which also has a zone being met and currently being rejected off of. If this actually holds, this is actually a great setup of support for another good one-to-one where I can definitely reach this target or target this lower high right here. And currently this market is still bullish because these candles didn't close below the most recent low, which would actually be a break of structure, but instead it's not a break of structure. Market is still bullish here. Here, market was trying to be bearish because it closed here and it was trying to go be even. But if it actually closed below here, it would have been a market structure. But since it actually did jump back up, this doesn't even matter. This is all still bullish. It's just consolidating in this place. So yeah, market's still bullish. Market's still bullish here. This is pretty solid. Yeah, for definitely for these two setups. Market here is actually. Let me see. Market starts off bullish. It consolidates. It came down to this low. It actually didn't close below the lowest low, and it's still going up. So yeah, market right here is really just consolidating. And just because it's consolidated doesn't mean you can't trade it. It's just you gotta catch it while it's consolidating, which means our most likely target this most recent high right here for another one-on-one. Yeah, that's my top two seconds. I'm probably gonna send these two in the Discord right now, and if anybody actually takes these trades with me, then you know, you'll, you'll be good for the day. But yeah, this is my top two. The other one is Nash right now. Nash is being bullish. 15-minute reaching liquidity sweep. We're gonna see how it reacts, and yeah, we're gonna watch what happens. So yeah, as we're approaching take profit right now, I'm pretty proud of this trade right here. I sent this trade in the Discord. This is a good liquidity sweep trade. I'm gonna go ahead and get out once it hits like 192. I'm not finna stay in this market. But yeah, this is pretty solid, and I'm already ready to get out. I just wanted to hit my target number. So yeah, we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm not gonna halt or like try to force anything. The the trade is what I put it as. So even if this shit did, even if this comes to a stop even, I'm not tripping, because that stop even is better than a loss. Yeah, so approaching my take profit. I do want to get out. In my head, I want to go ahead and get out because I'm already at my target mark. But I did put my take profit at the lower high. And this is, yeah, I'm being greedy. Am I being greedy? That's the step of stuff that goes in my mind. Like, am I being greedy? Should I just get out? And yeah, I'm going ahead and think about getting out. But I'm gonna just let market do market. So yeah, there you go. Go ahead and get to it. Bring it home. Bring it home. Banger, come on. Banger, come on. This is what I fucking do, nigga. This is what I fucking do. Hey, 4-day win streak right here. Nigga, I'm keeping this shit going. Nigga, I'm in the pot cooking. Shit, man. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go with trader view so I can break down this trade that I actually just took right here. And yeah, this shit got me hyped now. Let's go ahead and click over the trader view. I'm not even gonna do any jump cuts. We'll go straight to it. So on trader view right now, this is what we have. And this is the exact setup I just took, literally live. I got everything recorded right now. 4K, nigga. This shit ain't no fucking 480p. So in this setup, y'all know me. I always check the 4 hours before I even get into any type of trade. And once I'm looking at the 4 hour, I'm already seeing that market is in a consolidation right now. So market originally is bullish, and then it starts to go consolidation. It starts to consolidate for like since December. Since December, market has always been consolidating like this. So with this information, I'm already knowing that market wants to just keep going up, keep going down, keep going up, keep going down. And in front of these types of liquidity zones, that's right here. This gap must be filled eventually, which it had been filled right here previously, this is like beginning of February. And since this gap here has been filled, I'm already looking for buys here because I'm not looking for any of these gaps being taken out because market structure is still bullish. So as soon as I got this trade, I'm already going for a buy here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut down to the 15-minute where I'm actually taking the trade. And this trade, I have another liquidity zone right here. It was met. There was another liquidity zone right here. My fault, not liquidity. This is definitely more supply and demand. And here, market did respect my gap right here and make this support. So as soon as market opened, it came to this zone that I already had marked up previously because I'm scalping around, and it rejected straight off of it. And as soon as this market straight up, it made one closing candle, and y'all saw exactly when I got in, and that's exactly what I felt for a quick 1-to-1 in the instance. So I took this trade, held it out. I put out the most recent high right here. I probably could have put it up right here for another type of, for more extra pips, but I'm not greedy. I'm just taking my 1-to-1s and I'm getting out the fucking market. Like, I'm not here to keep my money in the market. The longer you're in the market, the higher chance of you having to lose your money. Get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. I'm dead ass doing a bank heist right now. I'm shiesty up, like all that. But yeah, I took this trade. This is a really good solid trade here. I can go ahead and cut down to a 5-minute right here actually, and we can already see how the market actually moved as soon as I got in. And yeah, this is a great, beautiful setup. Got me out, and now we up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Kelly chart, which is right here. And now we're on level 20. We're on level 25. So yeah, let me go ahead and get rid of this. And now we're on level 25. So yeah, for our next video, our goal is to hit to 197, and we're going to just keep the streak going. 4 days, we're doing good. A loss is coming up because nobody's going to be. No, I'm not untouchable. I never said I'm untouchable, but I know what the fuck I'm doing. So yeah, this is the trade for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get on with my day. I got class in the morning. I got class in a couple hours. So yeah, I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Discord link in the description below. I actually sent this trade in the Discord, so whoever took this with me is eating again because we eating every single day and we taking over this market shit. So yeah, y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all check up on your mamas, check up on your pops, your sister, your brother. Make sure you check up on your family. And yeah, y'all stay blessed and beat the odds.